Hello guys, so today I'm shooting this video and don't look for the background that I have today. I just want to share you something, so that is the reason I am here today. I'm going to talk about which are the skills that matter in 2020-26, and if you do not prepare for these skills, and if you are not ready, and if you are not preparing or growing for these skills, then definitely you will be lacking in your career. So there are total 5 skills that are very important in 2020-26 if you want to grow in your career. So these skills play a very important role while growing in your career, whether you want to reach at any top level in the company, whether you want to reach at the middle level of the company. See, nowadays marks are not that important. Marks will give you the job, but if you want to be on the top of any company, or if you want to be at the top position in any company, then you need a skills. So let me talk about the first skills. The first skills is communication skills. See, nowadays communication is become so important. It doesn't matter how much talented you are or how much intelligent you are. If you are unable to communicate your confidence, and if you are unable to speak that the knowledge that you have, there is no use of that knowledge. So even for the interview, even in the interview, communication पे decide होता है. Promotion is always decided on the communication. Salary is always decided how well you can communicate. Leadership always decide on how communicating you are, how well you are communicating to the people. That is called leadership. This is first skill. Second is digital and AI literacy. See, nowadays you know how the digital and AI is changing so far. So if you are unable to become a familiar with these tools, which is AI tools, see, such as prompting, you should know how to do research on the AI. You should know how to create a content creation with the help of AI. Automation understanding. Technology, if you ignore the technology, so you will replace by anybody, the one who know the technology. Third skills is problem solving. Nowadays company are not looking for someone जिसके मार्क्स अच्छे. Companies are looking for someone who can solve the critical problem. So it's very important to think critically and to solve a complex problem. And the people who know how to solve a complex problem, they will definitely grow in their career. Fourth skills is emotional intelligence. Very important. Nowadays, see, I know for human being emotions are everything, and Indians are famous for emotion. But nowadays, handling a rejection is very important. If you are not able to handle a rejection, if you are not able to handle a failure, then this is, you need to work on that. You should know how to handle a rejection, how to handle a failure. Handling a criticism, you should know how to handle a criticism. Everywhere I go, everywhere, no matter where you go, people will criticize, but how you can handle that criticize, and how you can convert that criticism into the right direction, that is very important. And then it also, team coordination, very important. See, working in a team and bringing up people together, it's a very important skill. That is also called people management, how to deal with the team. And fifth skill is discipline and focus. अगर आप डिसिप्लिन नहीं है, and if you are not focused, you will not grow in your career. So first make yourself disciplined and make sure you are focused on what you are working on. When you are focused, when you know what you are dealing with, and discipline is something that will take you where you want to be in life. So thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more videos from me. Thank you so much.